Hi friends, see my garden. See the oranges, beautiful, and they are very tasty and sweet. This is my orange plant. See how many have come. They are very juicy and very tasty. So we always pluck and eat fresh fruits from my garden. See, the birds have eaten this fruit and left it. The birds cockatoo will come and have the fruits. So we just leave them, let them enjoy the fruits which the Mother Nature has given us. I'll share that video too with you all. See, so many in one bunch. Just open this and show you. The birds are demanding food for me. Very tasty guys and very sweet. So try to plant oranges and different type of fruits in your backyard and enjoy when it's the season. My kids are just enjoying this lovely garden in Australia. So hope you like this video.